Could day 3 of touristing have been merged together with day 2 of touristing, eliminating a video? Absolutely, it could have, but did I do that? Absolutely not, I didn't. Therefore, hi, my name is Kosi, and if you're a newbie subscriber, welcome, stick around. If you're an oldie but a goodie, I appreciate you. Let's go touristing day 3. Good morning, everybody. Emily is leaving today, so she's packed up and having breakfast. I'm just gonna have these leftover sliders for breakfast because I need to sort out my life, because we are leaving tomorrow and I'm not even remotely prepared, so I need to sort that out. We've spoken in the group with the other guys and we've decided to go to Buckingham Palace because I didn't see it yesterday, so whoop whoop. We're gonna leave it around 10. I mapped out the route. Seems like we're going to Russell Square, then Green Park, then walking through Green Park to get to the castle, which is exciting. And after that we'll head up some museums. I'm thinking of Camden Square, so maybe I'll split from them if they're not keen later on, or I can do Camden Square on a different day when I'm back on my own. Today we can sort of tourist around with the others. Yeah, exciting. Let's go. It's me, but I kind of think the tap water tastes weird, like different, low-key ugly. Something like this. Great. As usual. Cute. It's always so green rain so I'll show you guys on the way. Let's go. This is so green. I've driven trouble muscle man. And our resident, he was reading the signs, guys. He didn't get to visit the trains, but he was reading the signs.
All over it.
We are ready. Oh, this is so cute. No, you have to tell me the cute. I'm surprised myself. What's one? Let's see if we can catch a squirrel. Oh, there. There's one. I mean, hard to see from here. There was one. No wonder the ostrich.
These places are revamped. See that statue over there, super gold. I'm just gonna live in the moment. And then see it.
Oh, there we go.
This is pretty. Wow, look at you. It's not holy. Squirrel person. Oh, that is a squirrel. There's another one running over there. Run. There. They're so cute. And this one's eating.
Oh, to be a squirrel running in the grass. I'm wondering if it's again the Remembrance Day thing or and low-key uneventful. Maybe that was day 3.
Oh, this is cool. Then from the ground.
I think that's the cathedral there.
Oh, the fun fact that they told us was not Ben 10. What do I call him? Ben 10. Big Ben is actually not the name of the clock. It's actually Victoria Tower or something. Then the biggest bell inside is Big Ben. So now everyone's just kind of called it Big Ben, but it isn't. But yeah, and I keep calling it Ben 10. Subway's closed. But Imhotep is Egypt, a ball thing. Roman Empire. These little things, trinkets, Viking world. Something looks sparkly there. It reminds me of the armor Edmund used to wear on Vikings. Ooh, the sword of the Lord. That man, Jonathan Rhys-Myers. Honestly been the longest day, man. Longest, but I got cute pictures. Oh, I did an airdrop from, what's her name, Tamika, but I'll do so later on when we go for dinner. I got, oh shit. Oh, another thing they told me is I don't have a roommate today. I'm like living the vida loco, and that's great. Oh God, I'm tired. We walked a lot today. I've been rotting in this position for close to an hour now. I'm gonna remove my makeup and nap, and then wake up for dinner. I think I'm canceling. Yeah. I think Emily left me these. She is so cute. Oh, I'm low-key late for like dinner, as I always am. These jeans are a bit loose, and earlier on I sort of tied them in. I don't know if I'm gonna regret it since we're going to eat and I'm a bit full. But anyhow, I did a little cute bow just to cinch them in, because then you have the, you know, the open black girl thing, or other big butty cap. I'm kidding, not that I am. But you get what I mean, that little flap at the back. Anyway, this generally helps with that. It's not the cutest, or not always the cutest, but it does the job. I think I'll put on, because it's not as cold as the other days, I'll just put on a coat, one of my other coats that isn't my bomber, just so I can preserve my bomber for serious days when I actually need it. I'm gonna put on my cute little white sneakers that I had earlier on, maybe my scarf to maintain the green, just so I can put back the rings. It's really just a deviation from the afternoon's outfit, nothing too different. So yeah. After the watching off the phone, but this is the outfit. Hey, I took a movie by the Christmas tree. Rings again, rings again. Okay. Again, guys. Wait.
It's alright.
Mango juice,
That's alright.
you know, with no fizz after the man said that it's fizz. Anyway. Nice. I love the portion.
What did you actually get?
Flower rice.
Flour rice?
Flower.
Spicy. Okay. One, I like the portions. Two, this is good. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Good. Birthday to you. Hooray! I'm looking for tape at reception to tape my nail and my headphones because travel day tomorrow and I need to pack still. The others went to the pub downstairs, but I can't. Well, I need to go pack first. If I have the energy after that, maybe, but doubt it. It's been a day. Thank you so much. I'm gonna bring it back.
Yeah.
Is that cool?
Yeah, of course.
The reception guy is so good looking. Like, I keep bumping into him. I bumped into him. No, I didn't bump into him. Actually, I'm lying. Yesterday when I had to check in. No, day before yesterday when I had to check in. He's the one that almost checked me in. And I was like, oh, he's got nice, pretty eyes. And then when I needed an iron, he's the one that like organized that. And then when I needed tape now, I just keep bumping into him. He's so beautiful and nice. And he has an accent. I'm not sure where he's from. He's got like a young something going on. Anyhow. Oh, another cool thing that happened today is we were by... Why do I keep calling Big Ben Ben 10? We were by Big Ben and we passed through a queue, like people waiting by a phone booth to take pictures. It was cute, whatever. Then there's this girl, like black girl, pretty, red lip. She could have been my doppelganger, just tall and like Amazonian. So I see her, our eyes meet, and then I quickly dart away, but I go back and our eyes meet again, so I smile and she smiled, and then we wave at each other. We don't know each other, like, but it was nice. And a bunch of that happened where I'd see black girls and their eyes meet and then we just do a little smirk. So I like that that's still a thing, because I remember when I was in Dubai, that was a thing. When I was in Mauritius, that was the thing. Like Seychelles, that was the thing. It just happens all the damn time. So even on the plane on my way here, remember Chido, like we did a smile, and then when they said the plane is not full, I can move wherever I want, I moved straight to her seat and she was like, come. So I loved that's really cool. But yeah, I'm going to pack now and then sleep early so I can be up at 4, shower, get ready, and then leave and be downstairs at 5, prepare for the meetup at 5:30. But yeah, exciting.